Look, I've been sitting here trying to be Miss Nice Wellness Lady for y'all. Smiling, giving tips, speaking all soft like I'm on a meditation app. But clearly, y'all ain't impressed. The views, tragic, the comments, quiet. So now I'm like, okay, what do you want? Do y'all want me to juggle protein shakes, backflip into a yoga pose, maybe sweat glitter while I tell you about gut health? Cause baby, I can turn this channel into a full-on circus if that's what's gonna keep you awake. I got folders of real, legit, researched info, but nah. Y'all out here liking videos of somebody blending pickles and ice cream, talking about it cured my anxiety. Okay, so y'all like weird? Fine, let's get weird. Next time, I'm coming on here dressed like a celery stalk, rapping about probiotics. You think I'm playing? Watch me.
Yo, I'm talking about them good bugs chilling in your gut, keeping everything moving, no ifs, ands, or buts. Need a tiny little squad you don't see on the gram, but they fighting off the bad guys like wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Yogurt in the fridge, kombucha in the cup, fermented all day, yeah, we keeping it up. Sauerkraut, miso, kefir, let's go. Gotta feed your gut, fam, so the vibes stay woke. And probiotics, get your stomach rocking, keep the balance tight. Ain't no bloating, knocking. And probiotics, let the culture thrive. Healthy on the inside, keeping you alive. See your belly's like a city, it's a wild little place full of trillions of homies all up in your space. They boost your mood, keep your mind on track, even help your skin glow. How about that? And the processed food, nah, that ain't the move. Gotta give them fiber, let the whole squad groove. And prebiotics feed them, that's plant-based fuel. Wanna keep the gut clean, gotta follow the rule. Bad bugs lurking, trying to creep in. Probiotics pull up like, where you been? Kick them to the curb, keep the system clean. That's the gut health hustle, you know what I mean.
Anyway, moral of the story, I'm still going to give you the real health facts, but don't be shocked if they come with a little sprinkle of foolishness, because apparently that's what keeps y'all from scrolling past me. You're welcome, and hit like before I start adding sound effects to my sneeze. Bye.